This could probably replace any LLM tool that you use for coding. I absolutely love llamacoder, and today we will make a very short video just to showcase the capabilities of this tool. You can use it for absolutely free. Before we start writing prompts and getting results, you can do a lot of things with this. You can select one of these 4 models from llamacoder, Llama 3.1, Llama 3.3, DeepSeek V3. You can also select how much of quality you want. You may want something fast, or you may want higher quality which is lower. And you can also attach things. I absolutely love this. No sign in. Let's ask it to create a Pomodoro timer as a Next.js 15 application. Make sure to create and also make sure to add SEO text and explanation of Pomodoro below the application. So this will create for us a Pomodoro timer. Let's check it out. I use by default Qwen 2.5 coder. Go watch the previous video where we covered another chat that was just released with Qwen coder. So let's try this out. I'm super excited to show exactly what the results could be. I absolutely love this application. It feels that it is really so amazing. I love the results. Sometimes it gets stuck, but I really love it and I want to share it with you guys. So here we see this Next.js application. This is front-end based. We don't need any kind of backend. You can see the timers, you can see the TypeScript, and let's see the result generated. So as it says here, it is generating this thing, and it has done some improvement to the prompt, and let's see what the result will be. I'm super excited. As you can see on the upside button, there is code and preview. So if you click preview, you will be able to preview the result. And I'm really excited because I actually have a website that I will be linking down below in the comments. And one of the things that I want to implement is the Pomodoro timer. So very, very soon, if you're interested in using Pomodoro timer, you can actually join in with that site and use this tool. Actually, this code will be available for you to use with a little bit of a differences for the UI. So let's see what the result will be out of this one. And again, if you're interested in more AI tutorials, make sure to press the subscribe button, notifications, etc. I'm going to be making a lot amazing things that you have never seen before in this channel. I'm super excited. Yes, I understand. You may not, you may feel I'm not speaking very good. I understand this video quality is not amazing, but again, I will be improving. You will absolutely love the things that I will show to you. Absolute tremendous value. And I will be giving out free courses to everyone that's watching the channel. I'm going to bring so much free value. And while I'm learning, I will also be showing to you exactly what I'm learning. So I think the site is stuck. All right. I'm not sure, but I really think there is some kind of stuck prompt. You can see here, I think it's stuck. So let's go ahead and refresh and write the prompt again. This Pomodoro timer, actually, I think the website can actually make it happen without using all of this processing. All right, so the website is just totally stuck. All right, so we will have to restart. All right, so please create a Pomodoro timer with Next.js and TypeScript. Okay, so it says coming up with project plan may take 15 seconds. So we wait. I will cut it and you will see the result. Okay, so the generation right now was quite faster. We've got code over here. We've got preview over here. And let's click the start button. All right. You can also click reset. You can click pause. So pause and start. I'm not sure. Does it work? Okay, so I think pause and start doesn't work. Something strange is happening with the code implementation. So start/reset doesn't work. Also, interval is increasing. Please fix these issues. Make also available for the user to select the Pomodoro duration. So let's try and create the best possible page out of this. So hopefully this will be better and we're going to get a nice result. Hopefully this is enhanced and let's see what the result is. So you can actually right now select how much you want Pomodoro to take. Here it says exactly what it has created. It has added also the extra things over here down below. So let's select 50 minutes. All right, so indeed it starts at 50 minutes. So let's press the start button. We can see the timer running. So if I click reset, it resets. So let's click start, works. If I go and select 25 minutes, what is going to happen? I have to pause, I guess. All right, so 30, 25, reset. So start, pause, start, pause, reset. It absolutely works. Love it. Love it. And here it says the Pomodoro technique is a time management method. Super nice. Super nice. Absolutely love it. So URL copied, and I'm going to give this to my partner on the website. All right. So what else can we create that would be useful for someone? Please create a calculator using Next.js and TypeScript. Make sure to make it look like Google Calculator. Make sure everything works. All right, so we're going to create a calculator for my website. So let's get started. We'll let it run. At this point, it tried to do npx create next, which is interesting. I don't get why it would try and create something like that. npm run dev. I don't know why it tried to create, add this. This is interesting. Okay, so it tried to create an application. So again, it doesn't work. So again, bro, like fix this error, bro. Like fix the error. So it's not able to fix the error. I don't know if this is really an error of the tool or of the preview. It's really strange in all honesty. This is the error. All right, so try and work it out. Like hopefully it will be able to do so. V6, create new project Next.js. No, it can't really work. It's just not able to fix the problem. All right, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to, I don't know, time zone dashboard. All right, this looks interesting. Make me a time zone dashboard that shows me the time zone, the top 6. I like it. Do this in Next.js 14 and TypeScript. Let's try this out. And I'm going to use DeepSeek v3 because this is a lot more capable model in my opinion. DeepSeek. Again, the other, Quen is a coder, but let's try out another LLM. Like, it's free to do so, so why not? Let's do it. Hopefully this time it will work, no problems encountered. Let's see what it can come up with. I'm really excited to see, really. I'm super excited to see the result. Right, so you can see here that this model is slower because it is 10 times bigger, really. All right, so we said Next.js. Indeed, it uses the correct things. It also uses, I think, TypeScript, which is nice to see. Let's see the preview. Hopefully preview will work. All right, so here you can see the time zones. So I'm going to, can I share the code? So the code is not finalized yet. So if you see here, it still processes. I don't know if it is about to make any changes because DeepSeek does deep thinking. And again, you can see here that this is not really complete in terms of a tool, but still seems interesting. And you can add more things like Paris, Chicago, Shanghai, Oakland. You could actually get this from some kind of online tool API and have like a list pre-generated, and it does automatically convert by taking a specific time, convert everything else. That's interesting. That's interesting. A lot of possibilities really at this point. So you can see here. All right. Yeah, I like this. I really like this. All right. So let's come back into the official screen. I'm not going to use this big model. I'm going to use Llama 3.370 billion, and I'm going to go for, I want an application that can, let's think. that can convert time from one place to another. For example, New York to London time. Make sure to allow PM AM formats. Make sure to allow 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. Make sure to display to allow morning, evening selection instead of PM AM. Create the application in Next.js 14 and type script. So let's see this one as well. So these are very interesting, simple and silly ideas that someone may be looking on the web, and you can really create these things super easily, add them to your website, or you can use them on my website. So yeah, let's try this out. I really hate when they use component UI cards and select options. I really just love the native Tailwind things. That's just me. Don't want to tell you anything, but yeah, I think I may, when you use these AI tools, you may have to start using these generic components. So here you can select the conversion. I really don't like this. Here you can select the time, morning, evening, make it so the UTC is connected to a famous city, country. Pair. Also, the select button should be in another format or something, as it is very long. Maybe a vertical, actually, or horizontal drag wheel. All right, so we are trying something very hard. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But again, the result will bring us closer to what we want. And again, this is a free AI tool. We have no expectations. Here you can see the time zone. So this is a little better. This is indeed a little better. You can select the time format, evening format. All right, so I selected 24 hours, evening. All right, so if I select morning, it changes. Evening. All right, so it has some kind of defaults. 12 hour. When you select the format or morning, make sure that the selection of time, actually I need to actually format it better, like give it exactly what we want it to make. Target time zone, select, mapping. So time format, I'm not sure, maybe this is, all right, so time in this field is also changed appropriately. Also make sure the first two select buttons are actually turned into horizontal drag element. All right, so let's try this out. This is going to be a very, very hard result to get because it is very niche, very specific. I don't think it's going to be able to get me the result I expect, but let's see. So slider, could not find dependency slider, so we will give this error. Hopefully it will be able to fix it this time, not as the previous time. Hopefully it works. Let's give it a try, pray for the best. It crashed, yes, it crashed. All right, code doesn't run. All right, so bro, your code is not running. Fix it up. Come on, let's go. You got it. I believe in you. I really believe in you. No joke. Jokes aside, I believe in you. It's starting. Let's do it, man. Install this dependency or use a slider from one of the libraries you have access to. All right, I want to make this work, guys. I want to release this feature for you. Actually, not for you, for me, but whatever. Let's make it. Let's make it happen, man. Let's do it. I believe in you. Yeah, man, like, that's nice. That's a little better. That's a little better. In all honesty, this is a little better. So 24-hour, evening. All right, that's hard to get. Like, it's hard. but indeed it works. So if I change the format, this goes like that, and you can select these two things. When I select these, you've got this button, convert time. So the time converts to that. All right, so if I change the time zone, all right, so let's say good job. Make sure to make everything super responsive. Don't forget to show the city, country for each time zone. All right, so one, make sure everything is super responsive. Slider change is on equals converted time change. Don't forget to show the city, country for each time zone. 3, remove convert time. On change, just change the result. Make the result more visible. Beautify the page by using Tailwind CSS. Let's try this out, man. It's not an easy prompt, but we see that the result is being created. We're here, 22 minutes, we created some kind of calculator, we create this application, and we created also Pomodoro. So let's see the timer. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Time, format, even better. Converted time. Yes. I like this. This is good enough for me, guys. This is good enough for me. All right. I really absolutely love this video, guys. I'm not going to close this video. Let's do one more thing. So let's brainstorm. Let's brainstorm. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it, give me one application. All right. So search the web. Give me one very trending application that I can create using front-end code only, requiring no API calls, and has multiple visitors per day. All right, let's make ChatGPT work for us for ideation. And the result we will try to create with this llamacoder. So let's see. Provide detailed information about artists, allow visitors to leave feedback or discuss artworks. Visual tours. That's interesting. All right. This is interesting. Make some, I would prefer an idea like a simple tool. All right. So let's make it ideate a little bit. A unit converter. So I've created that already. So I've got this already, real-time calculations, responsive design, and give me 5 alternative tool ideas. I have already made a converter. All right, let's see. I'm super excited to see what the result is. To-do list application. All right, data can be stored locally using the browser's local storage. Calculator. All right, we created this already. Memory matching game. Build an interactive game where flip cards to find matching pairs. Expense tracker. All right. Quiz application. Create a quiz application with multiple choice on various topics. Include features like scoring, timers. All right, this is interesting. So let's create this thing, an expense calculator. Create a Next.js frontend with TypeScript. The idea is to implement an expense tracker using browser data storage. Let's check the result out. I'm super excited. This is a very unique and interesting idea. In all honesty. All right. Expense tracker. Give me the monthly visits for the top search websites on this niche. Right, let's see how many people enter. So let's see the result of the expense tracker. All right, so you can add expenses, you can remove expenses. Does it use some kind of caching? Interesting. Is responsive, works well. Okay, so yeah, set expenses, local system. All right, local storage. All right. Didn't ever knew that this actually exists, this storage thing. So If I search for the storage, a local storage. All right. Well, this is interesting. This is absolutely interesting. So expenses application using browser storage. All right. So this is llamacoder. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. You can literally create so many things. We didn't check it out. So food, $10. Okay. Button add expense doesn't work. Add expense doesn't work. So let's fix it. Let's fix this. Hopefully it will work right now. But let's see. It looks like there might be an issue with the form submission logic. All right. So it should work better right now, hopefully. Food, 10, food, add. Yes, transport, other, add. And here you see the summary. Interesting. That's really nice. That's really insane tool.